Hi boaters. Okay, so today we're going to wash and wax my bow rider. Today I bought this Meguiar's boat wash. I'm going to clean a small section of the boat and then show you the 3M clean and wax I bought for it. We'll see how that works in that section. And then we'll do the rest of the boat. So we'll see the end video of how everything looks after that. Okay, thanks. All right. Hi boaters. Okay, on the Larson today we're going to try out this 3M cleaner. It's a cleaner and wax application, and we're going to see how this new Simonized polisher works out doing it. So I've already cleaned one section there and taped it off, so if we can see a difference in what it looks like. And so what we're going to do first is just put some dabs on the actual pad, and then we'll tap it on the actual hull, and then we'll give it a clean there. All right, and we'll do about 2,000. We'll slow it down. And okay, we give it a wipe down with a clean cloth, and let's see how things look here. All right. Okay. And you definitely see the difference. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's definitely a difference in the brightness of the two there. Okay, so that is my brief little demonstration of the 3M cleaner and waxer. If you're interested in trying it too, it looks like it's going to work out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Thanks boaters. Bye. Okay, after the polishing by the Simonized buffer and by hand in some areas, we are finished with our clean and wax there